Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to Saujanya Learnings. Today I am going to tell the syllabus of UKG. In UKG they have 4 subjects: English, Maths, GK and Hindi. First I'll tell what is the syllabus we have in English. In English, already in LKG they learned alphabets and all. Once we have to revise everything. So like alphabets, capital A, small a to capital Z, small z, and phonic sounds, and picture identification of the alphabets, vowels and consonants. These are the topics already they have learned in LKG. Once we have to revise all those. Next, vowels and vowel words. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. So, here we have to make them to learn the spellings of vowels. Like B-A-T, bat, C-A-T, cat, like that. And with that only we have to teach them rhyming words also. Because vowel sound words and rhyming words are both are equal. So, while teaching the vowel sound words only, we have to teach them rhyming words. Next, articles. Articles also already we have teach them in LKG, but here we have to make them to write with the fill in the blanks. So, articles A and an. Some worksheets we have to give for them to write. This, that, these, those. This is one of the topic. Means we have to tell them what is this and what is that, these, those. Where we have to use that words. We have to teach them about those words. Action words. Action words means verbs. Action words like playing, jumping, eating, like that. Those are the action words. We have to teach the kids with showing some actions, like how we'll play. We have to show them how we'll jump, writing, reading, like that. Everything we have to make an action and we have to show them. Opposites. Opposites means like big opposite, small. We have to show the objects for them or any things, like that. We have to show and we have to tell hot, cold. And next, singulars and plurals. Singulars and plurals also we have to show them some objects and we have to make them worksheets also. Like we have to show them one pencil, many pencils, one book, many books, like that. Next, naming words. Naming words means nouns. What are the naming words and how we use them, where we'll use them, we have to tell them. And we have to make some worksheets regarding those. Next, questioning words. Questioning words means why, what, where, who, when, how. These are, we call them as questioning. Means when we are asking any questions, we'll start with these words only. So we have to teach them why means what means what, like that. Every word we have to teach the meaning and we have to form some questions to them and we have to teach them. Next, sight words. Sight words are the words which are used to form the sentences. So, we have to teach them some sight words like 2-letter words and 3-letter words. In UKG, we can teach them 2 and 3-letter words of the sight words like is, my, me, had, and, the. These are the sight words, no, where we will use them. And without phonetic sounds only, we have to read the sight words. We have to teach like that for them. Next topic is simple sentences. Here we have to ask the kids how the sentences are forming. We have to teach them and we have to tell the kids to form their own sentences. Using sight words and all these, we have to tell the kids to form the sentences and read those sentences. Like simple, my name is, this is my book. Like that they will be having sentences. No, we have to tell the kids to read those sentences. Next, in, on, under. These are called position words. We have to teach them the position words. Like we have to show the action. Like in. In means what the things will there. Where the fish is there. Where the fish will be there. In the water. Like that. On. The book is on the table. Under. Like if anything is under the table, we have to show them and we have to teach them. Next, she, he, it. Who is she? Who is he? And it. Where we use these words. She means girl. He means when the talking about a boy, we use that. It means if we are telling about anything, we will use it. Like that we have to teach the kids. Next, I am, you. I am telling about myself. Then we'll use I am, you. If you are telling any others, we'll use you. Like that we have to tell them. Next, sound blends. Sound blends are the words like this. L, L, F, F. How the sounds will come. L, F, S, means 2-letter words we'll use, no? So we have to teach them with the related words. Next, we'll talk about the maths. In maths, we have to teach them numbers 1 to 500 and number names 1 to 100. So, and related to numbers before, after, between and before, after, between numbers we have to teach them, and count and write. Here we have to give them, because here we are telling up to 500 and number names we are telling, no. So we have to give some objects, tell the kids to count and write. Next, backward counting 100 to 1. Skip counting 2s, 5s and 10s. While we are teaching the skip countings only, they can learn the tables. So we have to teach them here only. Next, putting signs like greater than, less than, equals to. This topic also we have to teach them. Greater than means what, less than means what, equals to means what. Where we use this greater than, less than, everything we have to teach them. Next, additions and subtractions. These additions and subtractions we have to teach on the number line. And picture counting. We have to give some pictures and we have to tell the kids to count and write the number. And 1 digits also, like 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1. We have to give them and we have to ask the kids to count and do. Next, ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means what, descending order means what, and we have to teach them and we have to give some exercises to kids to do. And next, clock. Clock. We have to show them clock and what are the numbers will be there in the clock, how many numbers will be there, and in the clock what we can see, hours, minutes, seconds. These are the points we can see in the clock. We have to teach everything for the kids. Next, ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers means first, second, the positions of the numbers. We have to teach them. Next, tables 2 to 5. Shapes. Shapes like circle, rectangle, square, triangle. These shapes already they will learn in nursery and LKG. Here we have to introduce them. Ovals, semicircle, star, diamonds. These are the shapes we have to introduce the kids. Next, pre-math concepts. In pre-math concepts, we have to tell them so many other big, small, tall, short, same, difference, heavy, light, more, less, full, empty, in, out, up, down, soft, hard, thick, thin, right, left, front, back. These are the topics for pre-math concept. And we have these topics in maths. Next, we will see about GK. In GK, myself, already they will learn. Here, myself, they have to write the sentences. My name is, like that they have to write the sentences and they have to read. Next, body parts. Already they will learn the body parts. Here we have to tell everything with the spellings. We have to leg, L-E-G, leg, hand, H-A-N-D, hand. With the spellings, we have to teach them. Next, sense organs. We have to teach about sense organs. How many sense organs are there? What are the uses of sense organs? We have 5 sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. And what are the uses of sense organs? We have to teach them. Next, means of transport. Means of transport, we have 3 types. Like road transport, train, water transport, air transport. Next, and signals, traffic signals we have to teach them. And what are the traffic signs they have? Some signs simply they can learn, no? So those signs we have to tell them. And next, seasons. How many seasons are there? And in which season, which type of clothes we have to wear? We have to tell them. Next, parts of the plant. We have to show them the plant and what are the parts will be there and how that plant will grow. Everything we have to tell them. And types of people. Types of people means community helpers. Who will help for us? Like sweepers, postman, watchman. Like this policeman. We have teacher. These all are we call them as community helpers. And how they will help for us. We have to teach for them like that. Animals. In animals we have different types like wild animals, domestic animals, farm animals, pet animals. And animals, homes, babies, sounds of the animals, water animals. These are the topics we have in the animals. So we have to teach everything for them. Living and non-living things. We have to tell what are living things. Means which can move, walk, eat, drink. We call them as living things. And non-living things which cannot move. We call them as non-living things. We have to teach them like that and we have to show some objects which are living things and non-living things to them. National symbols. Like we have some national symbols, no? Like tiger is our national animal. Like that we have to show them and we have to tell them. Good manners. Festivals. Healthy and junk food. What are the difference between healthy food and junk food? What are junk food and what are healthy food? What are good for the health? We have to tell them. These are the topics we have in GK. Next, in Hindi. In Hindi, alphabets already they will learn in LKG. And picture identification from A to Ha they will learn. Next, Vyanjan. Vyanjan will have from Ka to Gnya. And we have to tell them picture identification regarding to Ka to Gnya. And we have to make some worksheets for them. And matras. They will have matras. Matras means A plus A ki matra, choti E ki matra, badi E ki matra, like that they will have those matras. And numbers. Hindi numbers we have to teach them. Like fruits, vegetables, those names we have to tell them in Hindi. This is the syllabus for UKG we have. Okay. Bye.